Chapter 23, Idioms and Proverbs. Idioms are phrases and sentences that do not mean exactly what they say. Proverbs are wise sayings that help teach lessons. There is a list of some idioms and proverbs. Idioms and their meanings. A penny for your thoughts. A way of asking what someone is thinking. Back to the drawing board. When an attempt fails and it's time to start all over. Ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next decision or take a step. Barking up the wrong tree. Looking in the wrong place. Accusing the wrong person. Beat around the bush. Avoiding the main topic. Not speaking directly about the issue. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. Alluding to the time before electric lightning. Can't judge a book by its cover. Cannot judge something primarily on appearance. Caught between the two stools. When someone finds it difficult to choose between the two alternatives. Cost an arm and a leg. This idiom is used when something is very expensive. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with a problem if and when it becomes necessary, not before. Cry over spilt milk. When you complain about a loss from the past. Devil's advocate. To present a counter argument. Don't count your chickens before the eggs have hatched. Don't make plans for something that might not happen. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Do not put all your resources in one possibility. Give the benefit of the doubt. Believe someone's statement without proof. Hear it on the grapevine. This idiom means to hear rumors about something or someone. It takes two to tango. Actions or communications need more than one person. Kill two birds with one stone. To accomplish two different things at the same time. Make a long story short. Come to the point. Leave out details. Proverbs. Fortune knocks once at every man's door. Everyone gets at least one good opportunity in his lifetime. Give the devil his due. Be just and fair-minded. God helps those who help themselves. God helps only those people who work hard and themselves make an honest effort. Great minds think alike. Wise people will normally think and behave alike in certain situations. He laughs best who laughs last. A person who does his best is the one who will get the greatest satisfaction in the end. Never do things by halves. One should not do an incomplete or imperfect job. Honesty is the best policy. Being honest is believed to be the best route to take. Once bitten, twice shy. If a person has been tricked once, he will be more careful and alert the next time. Practice makes a man perfect. It is believed that if one practices a certain skill often, he will excel in it. Prevention is better than cure. It is better to be careful beforehand than to try to solve a problem after it has arisen. Rome was not built in a day. Any great plan or big dream cannot be achieved overnight or easily. Speech is silver. Silence is golden. Talk may be beneficial. But sometimes acquiescence may be the best option to take. It takes two to make a quarrel. Both parties in a quarrel should share the blame or take responsibility for it. No one can start alone. One man's meat is another man's poison. No two persons are alike. It's an ill wind that blows nobody any good. A bad or evil occurrence. Let's recapitulate. A brief, popular saying is called an idiom. It can be called a phrase or a sentence, meaning differently what the actual words say. Examples: burn the midnight oil, to work late into the night, cry over spilt milk, to complain about a loss from the past, count not your chickens before they are hatched, don't make unpractical plans that can't be executed, beat around the bush, avoiding the main topic, cross the bridge when you come to it, deal with the problem if and when you face it, devil's advocate, to present a counter statement, don't put all your eggs in one basket, Do not put all your resources in one possibility. Ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next decision. A proverb is an expression that can't be understood from the meanings of the words used in it and has a separate meaning of its own. The proverbs can be called wise sayings, conveying useful lessons. Examples: honesty is the best policy. Be honest. Great minds think alike. Wise people behave alike in a similar situation. Rome was not built in a day. It takes time to accomplish a great plan. Prevention is better than cure. It is wiser to be careful beforehand than to try to solve a problem when it crops up. Never do the things in halves. Complete a job after starting it. One man's meat is another man's poison. No two persons have the same preferences. Once bitten, twice shy. If a person has been tricked once, he will be more careful and alert next time. Give the devil his due. Be just and fair-minded.